Good afternoon. Buildings. Buildings, we use them all the time. We're inside a building right now. Masonry is used in most buildings around the world. And my research is all about masonry behavior. But what exactly is masonry? Well, it refers to stones, bricks and blocks stacked on top of each other with or without a glue called mortar. Masonry has been in use for thousands of years. It's very popular because it's simple, minimal materials and long lifespans. But because of this, aging masonry is increasing globally. Gradual damage in masonry structures is often difficult to identify and prevent. So how do we ensure the safety of a masonry structure without causing any physical damage? And as shown in number 2, when do we actually intervene to repair masonry damage before it becomes unsafe? That is where masonry modelling can be our saviour. If we can approximate the properties of mortar and brick in a masonry structure, we can then model and simulate on a computer the effect of usage over time on a masonry structure, which can save us time and money. I'm using a method called Discrete Element Method, or DEM for short. I want to see where and how damage in a masonry structure can occur. And as shown in number 3 and 4, particle-based DEM has the potential to do exactly this, as it takes into account things at the scale of particles and grains. Particle-based DEM is already a proven solution when modelling rock and concrete. So I say, let's also use it for masonry, which is also a brittle material. So far, I've been able to show that particle-based DEM can accurately replicate real-life damage as well as replicate real-life strength values when modelling small-scale masonry specimens subjected to typical stress applications. My next step is to use this validated model to directly investigate unknown areas in masonry behavior, with current knowledge gaps including the impact of different material properties in the connection between mortar and brick, the influence of different mortar joints, as well as the impact of bricks and different sizes and shapes of bricks. To summarize, as Bob the Builder intended to say, can DEM fix it? Yes, DEM can. Thank you for listening.